Hey, Divine One, I'm so glad this message found you today. If you saw this, you're most likely on the inner child healing journey. You're in the process of reparenting yourself, and I am so excited for you. I also want you to remember that the more we tell our story, the more we create more of it. What I always tell my clients is it's important to process and vent in those tight containers with therapists, healers, mentors. But outside of that, living in the moment and in the reality you want to create is what's going to make your life that much easier. When we continuously tell our old story outside of those safe healing containers, we're creating more of it. And so while it's okay in the moment as things come up to go inside and reparent your inner child, if we continuously talk about our past and all the things that happen, we bring up those energies inside of us. And instead of stepping into that new vibration and reality, we're staying stuck there. That's why I don't ever recommend venting to friends or just simply sharing and telling your story over and over again, but instead consciously and intentionally choosing to be the person you want to be and not the person that you were. And so if you find yourself constantly repeating the stories of the past, ask yourself, is this really what I want to continue to create? And if the answer is no, choose to speak differently about your future. I love you. Plan on miracles. You got